nakakatuwa talaga dito sa probinsya. Ato, tingnan
Well, it's not far down to paradise. At least it's not for me. And if the wind is right, you can sail away and find tranquility. Oh, the canvas can do miracles. Just you wait and see. Believe me, it's not far to Never Never Land. No reason to pretend. And if the wind is right, you can find the joy of innocence again. Oh, the canvas can do miracles. Just you wait and see. Believe me. Sailing takes me away to where I've always heard it could be. Just a dream in the wind to carry me. Soon I will be free.
yung saging. Ayan. Ayan na, ang ganda ng bunga niya. Wow, ayun pa. Mga namumunga na sila. Tapos ang sarap talaga. Ayan po yung kalabasa. Ang taba ng kalabasa. Wala pa akong nakitang bunga. Ayan. Napagapang nila. Ayan. Ay, malapit na siyang mamunga. Ayan. Ang sarap dito. Ang sarap talaga dito sa probinsya. Ang layo ng kaibahan sa syudad. Thank you for watching.